Have you ever wondered if a machine could actually think, not just crunch numbers? That's the big idea behind artificial intelligence, or AI. Imagine a robot building a car out of Lego bricks. Not because it was told how, but because it learned what a car is and figured it out itself. AI is about creating smart machines that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. At its core, AI is a branch of computer science focused on building systems that can think, learn, and act intelligently. Think about how you recognize your friend in a crowd. AI tries to get computers to do similar things. It's not magic, it's science, teaching computers to see, understand, and interact with the world. AI isn't just one thing, it's a toolbox filled with technology, data, and algorithms. An algorithm is like a recipe for the computer. When you combine technology, data, and algorithms, you get AI, like your phone understanding your voice or recommending a movie. AI learns from examples, much like a child learns to recognize a cat by seeing many different cats. We feed AI thousands of examples, and it learns to spot patterns on its own. This ability to learn from data is what makes AI so powerful and different from older computer programs. AI is about machines learning to solve problems and make decisions, just like us. Not all AI is the same. Scientists talk about three main types. The first is artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI, AI that's great at one specific task, like your phone's voice assistant or a self-driving car. ANI is everywhere, but it can't do anything outside its specialty. The next level is artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This would be a machine that can learn and solve any problem, just like a human. AGI doesn't exist yet, but it's the dream, a flexible, adaptable intelligence. The third type is artificial superintelligence, or ASI, an intellect far beyond human capability, still just science fiction for now. ASI could solve problems we can't even imagine, but it also raises big questions about safety and control. For now, all the AI you use is narrow AI, specialist, not generalist. The AI recommending your next video or helping your bank spot fraud is focused on one job. Each AI is a tool designed for a specific purpose. Understanding these types helps us see where we are and where we might be headed. The human-like, do-anything AI from movies is still a work in progress. Today, we're surrounded by specialist AIs making life easier. How does AI get smart? It learns, mainly through machine learning. Think of it as sending AI to school, but with data and algorithms instead of books and teachers. The first method is supervised learning, like flashcards. We show the AI examples with labels like cat or dog until it learns to tell them apart. Next is unsupervised learning. Here, the AI gets lots of data but no labels. It has to find patterns or groups on its own, like sorting Lego bricks by color or shape. Supermarkets use this to discover shopping habits, like people who buy crisps also buy fizzy drinks. The third method is reinforcement learning, like training a pet. The AI gets rewards for good actions and penalties for mistakes, learning the best strategy over time. This is how AIs master games like chess or Go, by playing millions of times and learning from trial and error. No matter the method, the core idea is the same. AI learns from experience. The more data and practice, the better the AI gets. A model trained on 1 million cat photos will be more accurate than one trained on 100. Unsupervised models find more patterns with more data. Reinforcement learning agents get smarter with more practice. Learning is what transforms AI from a simple program into an intelligent system. It's all about experience, repetition, and improvement. That's how machines go from clueless to clever. For really complex tasks like recognizing faces or understanding speech, AI uses deep learning. Deep learning is inspired by the human brain, with artificial neurons connected in layers, forming a neural network. When you show it a picture, the first layer looks for simple shapes, the next for features like eyes or noses, and deeper layers combine these to recognize a face. The deep in deep learning comes from having many layers, each learning more complex patterns. What's amazing is that these networks learn which features matter most without being told. That's why deep learning powers things like image recognition, language translation, and even creating art or music. It's a hands-off, sophisticated way to teach machines. Think of deep learning as AI's university education. It tackles the hardest problems. It's behind your phone's voice assistant and self-driving cars' ability to see the road. Deep neural networks are the brains behind today's most advanced AI. So, what does AI need to work? Think of it like baking a cake. You need data, algorithms, and computing power. Data is the most important ingredient. Thousands of cat photos for a cat recognizing AI or millions of playlists for a music recommender. Without good data, AI can't learn. Algorithms are the recipes, rules, and techniques that help AI find patterns in the data. Choosing the right algorithm is crucial, just like picking the right recipe for your cake. The last ingredient is computing power. Training AI on massive data sets takes serious hardware, especially powerful chips called GPUs. These chips make it possible to process huge amounts of information quickly. That's why AI has advanced so much in recent years. But remember, AI doesn't understand like humans do. It doesn't know what a cat is. It just finds patterns and makes predictions based on probability. AI is a sophisticated pattern-matching machine, not a conscious thinker. It's all about math, not emotion. That's the secret sauce behind every smart machine. AI isn't just science fiction, it's part of your daily life. Your smartphone uses AI to recognize your face, suggest words, and answer questions. These are all forms of narrow AI, making your device smarter and more helpful. Entertainment platforms like YouTube and Netflix use AI to recommend videos and films you'll like based on your viewing habits. Music apps create personalized playlists, and online shops suggest products you might want. AI is the silent curator of your digital world. Banks use AI to spot fraud by analyzing thousands of transactions for unusual patterns. In healthcare, AI helps doctors spot diseases in medical images. Even farmers use AI to monitor crops from satellite images. Self-driving cars use AI to see, predict, and navigate safely. Chatbots on websites use AI to answer your questions instantly. From your pocket to the world around you, AI is already here. It's quietly making life easier, safer, and more connected. AI is powerful, but it comes with big challenges. One is bias. If AI learns from biased data, it can make unfair decisions, like favoring one group over another. Scientists are working hard to fix this, but it's a real problem. Privacy is another concern. AI needs lots of data, often about us, raising questions about who owns and controls that information. We need strong rules to protect our privacy and ensure data is used responsibly. People also worry about jobs. AI can automate repetitive tasks, but it also creates new opportunities. The key is helping people adapt and learn new skills for the future. Most importantly, we have a responsibility to use AI for good. AI should be safe, fair, and transparent. We must think about the ethics and make sure AI serves humanity's best interests. AI is a tool. Its impact depends on how we use it. By understanding and guiding AI responsibly, we can unlock its potential to solve big problems. Science is cool, but responsible science is even cooler.